Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elly. Today I will introduce the LONGKIng 3-ton diesel forklift CPCD 35S26 to you. It is a high-performance machine. It is designed for warehouses, factories, and logistic yards. It is reliable and efficient for your material handling. First, let's look at the cab. The cab is spacious and comfortable. It has an adjustable seat. You can walk all day without tiredness. The instrument panel is easy to understand. It shows speed, fuel level, and working status clearly. The joystick is ergonomic. It lets you control the fork easily and accurately. It is simple and efficient to operate. Now, let's look at the fork and hydraulic system. They are the core working parts. The fork can lift 3 tons. It is made of high-strength steel. It is wear-resistant and durable. It can lift all kinds of goods. The hydraulic system is efficient. It lifts and lowers smoothly and stably. It can bear heavy loads. It does not leak oil. It greatly improves work efficiency. Now let's look at the tires and engineer. The tires are large and solid. They have strong grip. They are wear resistant. They are suitable for different ground conditions. They reduce tire replacement times. Now let's look at the engineer. The diesel engineer is under the hood. It is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. It has strong power. It is low in noise and fuel consumption. It can work stably and for a long time, even in bad environments. In short, the LONGKIng 3-ton diesel forklift CPCD 35S26 is comfortable, efficient, and durable. It is your ideal partner for material handling. It helps you reduce costs. It also helps you improve work efficiencies. If you are interested in these forklifts, please contact me for more information.